When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare paan fritters. This is very simple and easy recipe with paan leaves. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, take 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Add into a bowl. Now add 50 grams of suji rava and add 20 grams of poppy seeds. Add required amount of salt and red chili powder. Give a quick mix and add water little by little. Add few drops of green food color and it's optional. After mixing of everything, batter should need to be like this. Now take a deep pan. Add oil to it. Now switch on the flame and heat the oil. Now take paan leaves. Dip in the batter and drop it in a hot oil. On a low flame, fry it on both sides. Fry these paan fritters until it turns into crispy. Once it's fried, now transfer these paan fritters into a serving plate. That's all, the paan fritters was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare Kolkata style aloo kabali. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.